Hi, in today's tutorial, I'll be telling you about how you can actually successfully create or how you can actually do a self-click with your app without being detected by Google. I'll tell you things you need to do, some setup you need to do with your phone so as not to be detected by Google. Like actually, for the past 3 months now, I'll be doing self-clicking and I've not been detected by Google due to this few setup I do with my phone. And I'll tell you something, a lot of people have actually been getting it wrong. Their account has already been banned, stuff like that. So many things have already happened. So if you follow my trick from the starting of this video to the end of this video, then you actually know what you need to do before opening your app if you want to do self-clicking. First of all, before we get started, this is the app actually created for someone here in Nigeria. You understand? So um I can open the app right now, but I can't click on the app. I can't click all these are ads you are seeing. So I can open the app. This is the apps. You see how beautiful the app look like. But I can't click on the ads here because I don't want to implicate the person identity I created from. And because I'm not using a VPN, I've not set my phone properly. So I can just go ahead to open the app. You can see unlimited ads. All this you are seeing here are ads. They are all ads. You understand? All these you are seeing here, they are ads. So you can also refresh the app like this. You can see how beautiful the app I designed look like. And in case you're interested, you want me to design a app like this for you, then feel free. At the end of this video, I'm going to drop my number for you. So that's for that. First of all, you need to on your VPN. As for me, I use the Melon VPN. So I'm going to on this VPN right now and then change. Okay, you see, my location is I changed it to the USA. You can click on it to change it to any country you want. But for me, I used the USA. So I'm going to click on this connect. I'm going to click on connect now. Okay. How you know it's actually connected? You see something like a key place here. You see something like a key place here. That is how you know it's actually connected. So let's go over to our main focus. Now, in case you don't have this app, you need to go to the Play Store and download this app, which is called Location Changer. So I'm going to open this app right now. And you search for the country you want to change. You use here you use here to search for any country you want to change your location to. So as you can see, I've already written USA, New York. That is why this place is actually showing me USA, New York. So I'm going to click on Start. I'll click on this Start right now. You see, um, how to know it work? First of all, when you click on Start, the app will just close by itself. And secondly, you see something like a little thing here. That is how you know it's already like it's a location. That is how you know it's already working. So now let's go to our main focus. You go to your settings, your phone settings, you go to your app settings. This is it. I don't know, like it varies for all phones, but for my phone, I'm using an Infinix X4. These are my phone actually look like in the settings. So you just go to your app settings, click on it, and now I want to see all apps I have. I'll use here to see all apps I have in my phone. So I'm going to click on it. Now, first of all, I'm going to close. My main focus now is I'm going to close all Google related apps on my phone. So this way, Google can track any of my activities. So now let's get started. You're going to click on this app update in case you have this. I'll be fast about this, and you click on these two things here. So first of all, let me click on the storage first. And this is very important. You clear this. In case you don't know the meaning of this, you can go to your Google and search for it, and you can know how far this thing can implicate you. So I'm going to clear this right now. And now I'm going to look for, okay, I'm going to click on this data usage to see if this app is actually running in the background. If it's not running, then I'll go back. You see, it's not running in the background. It's actually not running. So I'll leave this app like this. Now I'm going to look for more Google related apps on my phone. You need to look for all of them and close them off. And in case you have any browser, like for example, this is a Brave browser. It's a browser. And in case you have any browser in your phone, please do this setup. You're going to click on the browser as usual. Step one, you click on storage. Step two, you click on data usage. So step one, let me click on storage first. And then you clear this as I did the other time. Now step two, you click on data usage to see if this app is running in the background. You see, it's actually not running in the background because it's off. But if it's running in the background, then you can click on this to off it in the background from running. So that way, Google won't track our activities. So I'm still going to look for more app. This is a browser I have on my phone. You might not have this browser, but in case of any browser you have on your phone, please just do this setup to all of them. You click on this, you click on this. So now let's do it. Click on storage first. You're going to click on this as we did the other time. And if you still want to, then you can also click on this. This is very important. You can click on this also. That is if you want to click on it. Or let me just click on it so you should see. You see, I've clicked on it. So you're going to do this to all your browser in your phone. You click on uh, the cache, you click on the storage, and you also check if the app is running in the background, which is data usage. So you see, as you can see, this app is not running in the background. So I'm going to leave it like this. And now I'm going to look for more apps. This is my Chrome browser. It's a browser, so I still need to do the same settings to the Chrome browser. First of all, um, step one, I'll click on storage. So I'll click on data usage. So let me go and click on storage first. Now I'm going to stop these two things. I'm going to click on this one, two, click on this, and you click on this also. Okay, step two, you click on data usage. This app is actually running in the background, but if it's not, then I will leave it. As you can see, this app is running in the background. With this thing, it can actually implicate us from opening that our Google Addon app. So I'm going to stop this thing right now. Now I'm going to still check for more apps that can also implicate us. This Facebook. I'm going to click on Facebook. Now I'm going to click on this. No, don't click on that. I'm going to click on step two. Just do the same thing I actually did. Now you clear this, and also you click on your data usage. You see, this app is not background, so I'll leave it like this. Now I'm still going to look for more. This is your this is the Firefox browser. This is the Firefox browser. I'll open this app. You do this and you also do this. So first, let's open the storage. Do the same thing I did previously. You clear this. You clear this. And you also go to your data usage to know if this app is running in the background. You see, as you can see, this app is running in the background, which is very bad. So you need to turn this off. And now we are still going to look for more app. As you can see, your Gmail is a Google related app, and this app can as well implicate you. You're going to open this app, you click on this step one, step two, you click on storage, you click on data usage. So now let's click on storage. Now you're going to click on this and you click on this. Okay, and step two, you check if this app is running in the background. You see, as you can see, this app is running in the background, so we need to turn it off. Yeah, and we're still going to look for more app. This one over here, you still do the same thing to it. You click on it. You click on this storage and you click on data usage. So first of all, let me click on storage. You're going to clear this, and you're also going to clear this. Okay, and when you are done with that, you click on step two, which is data usage. So you open your data usage. As you can see, this app is running in the background, Google itself. So you're going to click on this to stop this app from running in the background. And now, this one you are seeing here, it's called Google Music. It's a Google related app. You're going to do the same thing we did previously. Click on this, also click on this. So first of all, storage, you clear this and you also clear this. So you clear this and you also clear this. Okay, and don't forget step two, you click on this data usage, you clear this, stop it from running in the background. Now we're still going to look for more. This Google Play service, it's part of them. So I'm going to open this. Step one, you click on this. Step two, you click on this. So step one, let's click on the storage. You clear this and you also clear this. So I'm going to clear this and you also clear this also. Okay, and step two, you go to your data usage. As you can see, this app is actually not running in the background because it's off already. But I wish it's on. I wish this app is on. You click on this to off it because it's very, very important. Any app you see Google there, just make sure you do all this thing I just said. And this app over here, you do the same thing you did. You go to your storage, the same procedure, clear this, and you go to this place. You also do the same thing there, clear that storage, and then this is your data usage. You click on your data usage to know if this app is running in the background. You can see this app is running in the background, so really have to turn it off. Okay, and this is a Google shortcut. Don't worry, I'll tell you more about this Google shortcut at the end of my video. So you click on this, you click on storage. It's very important, and you click on this also, and also this also, as we did. Click on this, you click on this, and you go to your data usage to know if this app is running in the background. As you can see, it's not running in the background, so we'll leave it like this. Now we're still going to look for more. We're going to look for more. As you can see, this is a Google map. It's a Google related app. We are going to click on this, and then you click on storage. You also click on this. So step one, you click on storage. Step one, you click on storage. Step 2, you click on this. So let's do it. You click on this. You also click on this. It's very important. Don't skip this. And you're going to, that's for the step 2. You check if this app is running in the background. As you can see, it's not running in the background. So we leave it like this. So now let's check for more. Let's just be careful. This is an Opera Mini. It's a browser. So we'll do the same thing we did before or previously. Step 1. Step 1, you click on this. Step 2, you click on this. So this is it. And I'm going to clear this. Clear this. Okay, and I'm going to check if this app is actually running in the background. If it's running, then we need to turn it off. You see, it's not running in the background, so leave it like this. Now we're still going to look for more. This is a browser. We need to turn this. Okay, click on it. Step 1, step 2. So step 1 first. You clear this. You clear this as we did before. So step 2, we clear this. As you can see, this app is running in the background, so we need to turn it off. Now let's go and check for more. As you can see, these settings over here, it's very important. You need to do the same thing you did. It's very, when I mean important, it's very important. So you click on this one, step 1, step 2. So let's click on storage first. You clear this, you also clear this. So I'm going to clear this, and you also clear this. Now step 2, you click on your data usage. Okay, as you can see, this app is not running in the background. It's not running, so we're going to leave it like this, and we're still going to look for more. This one is a snap tube where you can actually watch a video. If you have this snap tube, you're still going to do the same thing we did, but if you don't have it, then you can leave it. Step 1, step 2. So let's click on step 1. You know how we did it now. You just click on here. Now step 2, you click on this data usage. As you can see, this app is running in the background, so we're just going to turn it off. Okay, now we're still going to look for more, going to look for more, going to look for more. This is a Google Translator. We are going to do the same thing we did. You can click on this, click on this. So now let's do it. The same step, you click on this, you click on this, and now you're going to click on this data usage. As you can see, this app is running in the background, so we need to turn it off. We are going to close anything related with Google so as not to get our account or our app being banned. So we're going to look for more now. We're almost done. Just keep searching. Okay, this app you are seeing over here, this 3 app. If you have a YouTube in your phone, you click on the YouTube, you click on this, you click on this. So let's do it now. Click on storage, you click on clear it. Okay, And now you click on data usage. As you can see, this app is not running in the background, so just leave it like this. I think we are done. So I'm going to go back now. So now, before I still open this app once more, I still need to go back to all my settings I did previously. I'm going to do it again so as to be sure. So now you are going to do the same thing you did previously again once more. You're going to click on this and do the same settings or the same setup we did once more. And you're going to click on those things I clicked before for the second time. You click on this, do the same thing we did here. For the sake of time, I'll try to be fast. I won't open this. You click on this, do the same thing we did. You click on this, do the same thing we did. Still looking for them. You click on this, do the same thing we did. In case you have this browser, you're going to click on it and do the same thing you did. Any browser you have, you do the same thing you did. This is your Gmail, you do the same you did, the same thing, the same thing, the same thing, the same thing, the same thing. That is if you have any of this. But if you don't have all this app I'm actually talking about, then you just leave it and then you just look for the rest app are marked. So you the same thing here. We are still looking for them. Okay. eh, you're gonna do the same thing here. Okay, this is your Opera Mini. You do the same thing we did before. And still looking for more. The same thing we did here. The same thing also. This is a Google Translator. In case you have this translator in your phone, you're going to do the same thing we did. Still looking for more. And in case you have YouTube, you are going to do the same thing on all this. But if you don't have YouTube in your phone, like if you don't have a YouTube, then you just leave it. But if you have a YouTube, you're gonna click on you're gonna click on the YouTube to clear this. Click on this as you did before. Just the same way. You click on this and also click on the storage. You also click on this. You see, as you can see, this app is not running in the background. So finally, we're almost done to open the app. The our setup is almost complete, and we're going to in case like for this tutorial, we're going to be using a Firefox browser. And in case you don't have a Firefox browser, you can go to the Play Store and download one for yourself. So now I'm opening a Firefox browser because I'm actually using this. So I will open this right now. And in this Firefox browser, you need to download. Okay, we're going to be making use of a Firefox browser. So now let me tell you how you can actually set up your Firefox browser. Um, like this is your home page now. So you're going to click on these three little dots over here. And now, first of all, you make your Firefox browser your default browser. So I'm going to click on this settings over here to make it our default browser. So the reason behind it is that whenever we open our ads on our app, it's going to refer us to our Firefox browser. That was why I actually chose the Firefox browser. And we need to do some setup here before we can actually be sure that we are not being tracked by Google. So you click on make Firefox your default browser and you search on or you click on this app browser app, and now you're going to click on Firefox to make this your default browser. Okay, we are done with this. Okay, like this is the home button. Now you're going to click on these three dots over here. Once again, you click on these add-ons. I want to download two extensions. Like I want to install two extensions in this browser. The first one is to block our tracking ID, while the second is to give us a very notion of different browsers to use. So now, first of all, you click on this one. Like, want to install two particular extension into this browser. So now, I'll click on search. The first one is the first one is uBlock Origin. Okay, I'm going to search on the uBlock Origin, and this is the one we actually need. This is the one we are using for this tutorial. This one over here. So click on it. I'm going to install it on this Firefox browser. You click on add to Firefox. It will take a while to load, and you're going to click on this one over here, add. Okay, as you can see, I've already installed this uBlock Origin in my browser. So let's go for the second one over here. We're going to search on random user agent. Okay, this one we actually need. I'm going to click on this. And now we are going to install this extension in our browser. The reason behind this is that actually you are using a Firefox browser to browse, but with the help of this extension, it's going to tell anyone trying to track our ID or trying to know who is clicking this ad that the person clicking this ad is using probably a PC, a a desktop, or any other thing, but is actually not using a Firefox browser to click the ads. That is why I ask you to download this um the random user agent. And for this, okay, let me just go back and I'll tell you more about it. You're going to click on this. And now we click on this open. Okay, as you can see now, we have different browsers to use, different optional browser to use. Okay, with the help of this extension, when we are clicking on our ads now, for example, this extension is going to be changing every 10 minutes as it is here. Like the application behind it is that when you are clicking your ads, clicking on it for some time, after 10 minutes, it's going to change to other browser here. So let me say, let me choose, for example, let me put my browser to be this. I want to use, let me choose a browser. Okay, let me put my browser to be this. Now, if I save these settings now, if I save these settings now, then I'm browsing, I'm clicking my ads, it will get to a time it's going to change to that after 10 minutes it's going to change to this. It's going to change to this and not this. After 10 minutes it's going to change to this and not this. That is why it's called a random user agent. It changes randomly. So that's how it basically works. And I can even adjust the time here to 2 minutes. So it should be changing every 2 minutes. Yeah, and that is it. First of all, let me just click on the FX browser on this. So that's how it basically works. Okay, and secondly, this U block origin. Let me open it. When this is block origin, it's going to block every site that is actually tracking our activities. It's going to block everything. As you can read it here, it's going to block every single thing. So that's for the Firefox browser. And lastly, you need to open you need to reset you need to reset your advertising ID. And by doing so, you have to go to the Play Store and download Google Shortcut. This Google Shortcut. So let's open it. And now you click on Add Settings. Okay, you click on Reset Advertising ID. So for example, this is our ID. Our ID here is, just try and observe this ID. Our ID here is, our ID here is, observe this ID. The ID starts from C230E21. So with this, I'm going to change it now. Just watch. When I press this button, it's going to change. Like our ID is going to change. So press this button over here. You click on OK. Click on OK. As you can see, from C where our ID was, it has already changed to 00189. So that's how this ID still works. So now just look at this. I want to change it once more again. You click on OK. And as you can see, it has changed to A8C786BO. So that is how it basically works. Okay. And now our setup is actually complete now. So we can now go to our app, our Google Addon app, and open and do ourselves, click ourselves without being traced by Google. So this is actually the app I created for someone in Nigeria. I'm going to use this app for our tutorial. You can see how beautiful this app look like. I packed plenty of ads in this app, so that way we should be any bigger. These are these are ads. These are ads. All these you are seeing here are ads. All this picture you are seeing here are ads. And you can see the ads are unlimited. Like I placed them in the app. This app look like. If you want to design an app for you, then you just message me on WhatsApp. I'll drop my number below. You message me after this tutorial and you can ask me. Then I'll create one for you. As you can see, this is an unlimited ads. And when you click on this ads, you'll be paid. So I can also refresh these ads like this. I'll click on this refresh button, the ad. As you can see, the ads are refreshing. And now let me tell you, when you're actually clicking on the ads, don't click on the same ads. First of all, let me open this ads and I'll tell you what you need to do for you not to be tracked by Google or for them not to suspect you. As you can see, this ad is going to open our Firefox browser because we make our Firefox our default browser. So it's going to open. And what you need to do here is just to interact, just keep interacting with this with the screen. And sometimes when you open some ads, it will tell you to register for it. I mean to sign up for it. I'll tell you how you need to sign up for those ads. As you can see, but there's no option here. So we just have to keep interacting with the ads for good 2 minutes. Keep interacting with it for good 2 minutes. So that is how it basically works. And when the 2 minutes is over, you can just go back. You can just go back and then click on the next ads to view. Okay, let me just click on this ads to view. You're gonna so when this ad finally open, you're gonna stay for the ads for good 2 minutes. You're gonna stay for the ads for good 2 minutes. As you can see, just keep interacting with the ads, keep interacting with it, keep interacting with it. So that is how it basically works. And now we are going back. More ad view. Let me click on this. If you want to design the app like this for you, I can actually do it for you. Just contact me on WhatsApp. I will drop my number at the end of this video. And if you're interested to like for me to create an app for you that looks exactly like this, then I'll do it for you. As you can see, all these are ads. So you just keep interacting with the screen for a good 2 minutes for you not to be detected by Google. You just keep interacting with it. And when it's up to 2 minutes, you close the ad. Like the minimum of it is just 2 minutes. Close the ads. Just view another. You can view unlimited ads a day. Just keep viewing. Keep viewing. Okay, it's loading. Let me refresh it. Okay. So you can just click on another ads you want to view. Let me click on this. As you can see, I created this app not quite long. I created this app 5 hours ago. Sorry, like 3 hours ago for a person in Nigeria. I was being paid to do so anyway. So you just open the app, keep interacting with the app for good 2 minutes. Now, for example, there are some ads that will warrant you for signing the ads for signing up. For example, this ad it told you to enter your zip code, your state, your region, and everything. So, how to sign up for this ad? Please note when you are opening ad, just make sure you sign up for all those ads before closing it. If not, you'll be detected for that. So let's go to the web browser and then we'll search for fake random address. because my location is actually on USA, so I'm going to search on fake USA random address. Fake USA random address. Okay. Now all these are fake USA random address. I'm gonna click on this to sign up for all those ads. You really need to go to your browser and search for this thing I just searched to sign up for this thing. Okay, I'm going to do the first one for you so you should know it like. For example, this is a fake USA random address. So first of all, I'll copy this zip code. I'll copy this zip code here. I'll copy this because I need this to sign up for those ads. So I'll copy this, copy it, and then minimize my screen, go to my Firefox browser, and then put the zip code there, paste. So it's just going to load. While it's loading, just keep interacting with the screen. Good. As you can see, this is how to tell you that my location actually worked. Code. This zip code shows that my location is actually on this place. And according to my VPN, my VPN tells that I am actually at the New York. So from this place to New York is actually 25 miles. I can just click on go. Just keep interacting with it. And when you are done signing up for all those ads, there are some ads that will even ask you to sign up for your, like, to put your Gmail. I'll minimize this right now to tell you. In case you don't have a Gmail for that, you don't need to use your email, your real Gmail. Please don't use that. You just go to Google, search for instant email. They are all fake temporary email. You just search for them. Okay, you go to your Play Store, you search for instant email. Okay, to tell you my location actually changed from Nigeria to USA. There's a particular app in the USA that if you're in Nigeria or in other country, you can't download this app. It's called Cash App. But with the help of this my settings I did, I can actually download the app. This is the name of the app, Cash App. This like this to test if our location actually changed. So I'm going to click on Cash App. As you can see, this is the app. It's already in my phone already. You understand? And when you show you the, you already know you can install the app. That's to tell you this thing I'm actually doing. My location actually changed. So now let's go to our main focus. I will search for instant email address. Okay, this is it over here. This is the one I'm actually using for this tutorial. So you're just going to click on it. You see my browser, sorry, my in my app. So I'm just going to open it. All these are just fake temporary email you can actually use to sign up for those ads. So you just click on, okay, it has already loaded. This is an email that's available for you. You can just click on it. You can click on this right now, and then you click on this to copy this email. Click on this to copy the email. It has already been copied, so I can just paste it anywhere in the ads to sign up for those ads. And in case you've already copied it and you want more email, you can also click on this create. You can click on this create new address. Create an address automatically. You see an address has already been created, so you can just click on copy email address, and then you click on this. Okay, you click on this on the email where we did it before, and you click on copy email address. As you can see, I've already copied it. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching my video. And in case you still don't understand, then you can also feel free to message me on WhatsApp. This is my this is my WhatsApp number. In case you still don't understand, you want me to put it through, then you can also contact me on WhatsApp, and I'll be there to help you out. Thanks for watching my video. Do have a lovely day. Okay, it has already loaded. This is an email that's available for you. You can just click on it. You can click on this right now, and then you click on this to copy this email. Click on this to copy the email. It has already been copied, so I can just paste it anywhere in the ads to sign up for those ads. And in case you've already copied it and you want more email, you can also click on this create. You can click on this create new address. Create an address automatically. You see an address has already been created, so you can just click on copy email address, and then you click on this. Okay, you click on this on the email where we did it before, and you click on copy email address. As you can see, I've already copied it. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching my video. And in case you still don't understand, then you can also feel free to message me on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. In case you still don't understand, you want me to put it through, then you can also contact me on WhatsApp, and I'll be there to help you out. Thanks for watching my video. Do have a lovely day. Now, after clicking on all those ads, you need to do one more setup with your phone before you finally close your phone. This is the setup. You need to still go back to your phone settings. That is after you are done for the day clicking those ads. You need to go back to your phone settings and then you go to this same place we go again. You see the same thing we did again. You go to your app and notification and then you click on here. Now you're still going to do the same thing we did again. I mean, you are going to wipe everything, but yet don't turn off your VPN yet and your location changer. You still need to you still need to still wipe all these things out. I mean, you wipe your app updates, everything, like the same way we did it again. So let me just do it to you to see. You still need to still wipe everything once again. You can go to your Brave browser, open it once more, do the same thing we did, storage. You also clear this. You understand? You can also clear this as well. It's very, very important. You need to do this for all your setup. I mean, if like this is the last time, after you are done clicking on all those ads, then you need to see lastly still go to your phone settings and then do this thing I'm doing too, because it's very, very important. And I forgot to mention this in the video. You need to clear this. This is also a Google related ads. I forgot to no sorry, a Google related app. I forgot to mention it. It's called Drive, Google Drive. Yeah, this is the Google Drive. It's very, very important. You still need to still clear this off. If you want to ID not to be tracked by Google, you still need to clear this off. It's very, very important. Let me just open it now. The same thing we did. You go to your data usage, your phones, your storage and your data usage. Do the same thing we did previously. You clear this. This is very, very important. And you also clear this. You also go to your data usage. You store this app from running in the background. As you can see, this app is actually not running in the background. And thereafter, when we are done with all this, now we need to go and off our VPN because we are done with our activities for today. So, I mean, after you are done clicking your ads, you still need to go back, um, clear your phone data once more, clear everything once more, and then you need to go to your VPN and disconnect your VPN. That means you are done for this. So you just click on disconnect. Yeah, you click on disconnect. It has already been disconnected already, so I can just remove this and then you go to your location changer. To remove your location changer, we can disconnect this as well because we are done for today. I mean, we are done viewing our ads, so I'll just click on here to stop it from running. You see, I already stopped my location changer from running now, so I think that's all for this video. Don't forget, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. You can also comment as well which country you are, so I can also release a new video in your country. Thanks for watching my video once again. Do have a lovely day.